Okay, here we go again. There's only a few more videos left. The last video left off with, oh yes, last video left off with simplifying like terms, right? And then I said that I was going to have to finish the last problem on the worksheet that looks like this, excuse the mess, on to the next video because I was running out of time to post with each of these videos in order to keep it for free. Thanks to whatever program I'm using. I can't remember right now, but I'm sure you can see at the bottom left-hand corner. So a shout out to them because I think it's great. It helps out educators, especially if you can do 50 minutes free without having to pay a charge for that. Anyway, that was a shout out. Maybe I should contact those people and tell them I gave them a shout out, especially in the world of education. Anywho, the last part of the last section looked like this. Okay, we were simplifying like terms. So I'm going to do this part real quick because the video on exponents will not take very long. So if you have a problem that looks like this, remember you're just going to simplify by combining your like terms. Remember, don't let all these little squares fool you. All we're asking you to do is to write out what you have. Okay, so look at this. I have 1x squared, right? Notice there's no other ones. And it's positive. So 1x squared. See that? Remember, ones can be invisible, so just saying x squared is perfect. And then you're combining, which means add. And how many x's do you have? 1, 2. So plus 2 x's. And then I have 3 digits. So plus, how many digits do we see? 3. That easy. Okay? Looking at this one, you have a negative x squared, and there's only one of them. So negative x squared, combine, which means add, 1x, remember ones are invisible, plus, how many digits do you have? 2, negative ones. So you can write it like this, okay? This one, how many x squares do you have? 2. 1, 2, combined with 2 digits. There you go. Or, how many negative x squares do you have? 3. So 3 negative x squares. Okay, again, I apologize for the sloppy handwriting, but now you get the idea. Do not freak out at problems that look like this. You can see how easy they really are. Moving on. So next part, we'll focus on exponents review and integer review. Okay, so the worksheet that goes like this, goes for this one, looks like this. Okay, then get these a little bit out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, so a quick review with exponents and what they mean. All right, so the expression is a squared. Which part is the exponent? The exponent is 2. Which part is the base? Remember, the base is the large number or letter in this particular case of how many times you're going to multiply that number or letter. So the base in this one is a. Exponent is 3. Base is b. Exponent is 4. Base is 2. Exponent is 3. Base is 4. That easy. Just seeing if you can remember which part is the exponent and which part is the base. Okay, moving on to the next section. Write each expression using an exponent. And here's an example of that. Very easy as well. Okay, so your base is b. How many times do you see it? 3. Your base is 4. How many times do you see it? 2. Your base is 3. How many times do you see it? 3. Okay. Moving on to the next part. Remember that I think yes, I did loaded the worksheet so you can follow along with me here. Or just skip right along forward if this is easy for you. Evaluate each term. Okay, so evaluate means to actually solve it. So this I have 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down my next 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So my final answer here is 8. Okay, this one would be 4 times 4. Not 4 times 2, 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. Final answer. This one, I have 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times that last 3, which is going to be 27. Okay, So I have 27. Wow, that's bad. 27, 16. That final answer is 8. I think you guys get the idea of that. Okay. Now, I think what I included on this page was the, let's see, the integer review. And actually, I already did this on another worksheet. Look in the Heart Academy, you'll see integer review, and it's the same problems, okay, of adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing integers. So this one actually kind of doubled up on. So I'm going to keep this video short because it was just a review on exponents, and we will move along. All right. Next part will be squares and square roots, I believe. Let's check. Squares and square roots. Okay, stay tuned.